You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more names of famous places around the UK. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Warwick. Yeah, I know, you have to skip the second W altogether. It looks like it should be say Warwick, right? Why is that? I don't know. If you do, let us know in the comment. But Warwick is how it's to be said. It's easy once you know, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. Thanks very much, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.